Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
It's time to call off, sign off from a unit which groomed me to become what I am today. It's indeed a privilege for anybody to start off and end his career from the same place. This model and this modeling room has been my prime source of inspiration. I have worked for a lot of models, but I never got a model that way. But today, all of you have given me this wonderful moment. I will. In the course of my discharge of duties, I know I have been very aggressive. I have been at times ruthless. I have at times been a little soft. But that was not on any personal grounds. I had nothing to do with any individual personally. It was all part of my duties in the larger interest of the unit and in the larger interest of the NCC. Beyond that, there is nothing more than that. Be it the cadets, whom I would have pushed a lot, be it my staff, the PI staff, Lashkars, anybody. My only intention was, if you want to serve, you serve well. Otherwise, don't serve. That has been my policy, and I always believed in it, and I have enjoyed doing it. So, should it in any way have hurt any of your sentiments, either personally, individually, or in groups, I absolutely apologize for that. And I hope you will also take it in the same spirit. You have got a commanding officer today who's already seen this place for quite some time. There's nothing new for him. You all are all fortunate. Now you got another XO also. So one is going, two have come. What more you want? Unit was just at the doorstep of inspection. The entire unit is fully prepared. Everything is in place, almost. Again, I am using the word almost, because there are still patches which needs to be plugged. So, I hope the new commission, because my clerical staff has also changed, the PI staff has changed, almost 50% of the cadets also would be new. So, it's actually a transition from one to the other. And therefore, my only request to all of you is to give the same support that you all have extended to me, to the new commission, to the new team which has formed up, so that we gain more and more. My individual aim is not to get more trophies, but if my cadets can learn something out of what we train and become something better, that is what is my trophy. So we have done very poorly in the Nausainik, All Indian Nausainik camp. I take that full onus on me for the poor performance. But if my cadets have learned something out of it, I think that is what I have achieved. Not taking much of your time, it's 5 o'clock, packing up time. Biometric is not available, so you all can have your time. Okay? Once again, let me thank each one of you. Each one of you, cadets who are here, cadets who are not here. Young lady is also there from the group, she is representing the group, so I am so thankful to you for being here. Kadam in particular, I have bulldozed Kadam a lot. There were two reasons, one for him to reduce his weight and increase his pace. Dono I could not achieve. Okay, Kadam? So, that day, plus everybody else. मेरा सारथी जो है कोंकणी, वेयर इज माय कोंकणी? हाँ, he has been my सारथी right through, and I must appreciate him. Not feeling well, he would still come for his duty well on time. That shows the attachment of people. Maina has been sitting late evenings trying to match figures. Okay. We also have the presence of an AMO, so the entire quorum cannot be said that it is less one element of the entire institution. Okay. SMI, I hope he gets his appointment as soon as possible. And everybody else, everybody else. Marship has also taken over. I wish you all the best, Mother. Take care. Do well. And to Captain Mamudkar and Srivastava, I wish you all the very best. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Cricket for Captain Donald Namdar.